Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I am Tudor Frank from Tudor ICT Academy, and we are looking at a training on PROKIP accounting software. So I would like to go straight to the point from where we stop. On this video, we are looking at how we can set up our product and services on PROKIP. From your dashboard, you go straight to products and service. This interface will load up, and then if we have any available product or services, you're going to see them down here. But since we have none, it is actually empty here. So you can click on Add New. Then you identify if you need a product or you need a service. In this case, we will start with a product. So clicking on Products is going to load this particular interface for us. On this interface, you start by supplying the product name. I would like to call this HP, let me call it HP wireless mouse. The stock keeping unit could be 2001. I could add a letter in front. (2001), and then the units must be selected, which is in pieces. I'll leave this as simple. The brand information are not really important. The business location, if you have different business location, you have to specify which location this product is available. Reorder quantity means when this item remain 5, or when it remain 2, or when it remain 3, remind me so that I can actually order for more. The purchase price is compulsory. I can say I'm buying this particular item. This is a wireless mouse. I'm getting this item at 5,000 naira, and I'm getting 5,000 naira. So if I'm to get a profit percentage of 10%, if my profit percent is 10%, then it's going to be 5,500. But if I'm getting 20% as profit, then it could be 6,000. If I'm getting 25% as profit, that could be 6,250 based on the purchase price. So I would love to take up to 22% interest, and this is what I got as my default selling price, which means if I want to sell this item, I shouldn't sell it less than this price. So I go ahead to click Save and Add Stock. If I click on Save, it's just going to save the item. But if I click on Save and Add Stock, it's going to bring me here where I can adjust my opening stock. So I come here and I say, okay, the opening stock of this item, as at the time the item, as at the time I'm setting up this item, I have only 7 pieces in stock. So clicking that, I have to specify the dates. I could say this was on the 4th day of March, and then I just need to click on Save. Then the item is now in stock. As you can see, it's loading. The item is currently in stock. I would like to add one more item in case you miss out on the first one. So I click on Add New and I click on Products. Then I can come here and look for something like a mouse. Should have something like a keyboard. Let's say Dell keyboard. Stock keeping unit, I could call this C2002. And coming down here, select I will say this is in pieces, and the brand is not really important. I come to reorder quantity. It should be 5. When I have 5, please remind me to get more. The purchase price for this keyboard could be 8,500. If I'm taking 10%, I could sell it 9,350. Or I'm taking up to 15%, then I should get 9,775. Okay. I would like a round figure. So let's say I'm taking 20%, and I could have 10,200. So I go ahead and click on Save and Add Stock. and that will take me to where I can add the quantity remaining. So I come here and say, okay, I have up to 9 of this item. The calculation is done. You multiply this price by 9, it means this is actually the total amount for this particular item, as you can see here. So I click on save. I could like to add one service so you can see the differences between adding a product and adding a service. But that will be done in the next video. Thank you very much. I am Tudo Frank.